Hello everyone, my name is Nadine. I'm the owner of NG Platinum Homes and welcome. Today's video is going to be about the 4 things to consider when renovating just your shower in your bathroom. Or even if you're doing a whole renovation, go ahead and think about these 4 things when renovating your bathroom. So the first one that I want to talk about is having a curb or no curb in your shower on the floor. So basically, this is something that people considered for some time when it comes to wheelchair access or ADA compliance because it's a flat look, it's a seamless transition from your bathroom floor into your shower. And that's great for wheelchair access, but here lately, as far as design is concerned, it's something that people are doing for an aesthetic look. So that's great, but there's some things that you need to consider there as far as if you're going to do this option. There's a lot of things that need to be done with the concrete and the actual flooring in the shower to make sure it's completely level. So that incurs an extra cost. So you want to consider that. And then if you're thinking about you don't really want to do all of that work or spend the extra cost to do a flat seamless look, you can also go ahead and go with the curb option, which is also the most common option, and that's great. So you want to really think about if you want to spend the extra money doing it that way or having a curb. And the second thing that you want to consider is the tiles on your shower walls. So right now the biggest design trend is going with large format tiles, and those are great because a lot of people don't like to have grout lines, so it really eliminates that. You can get very large 24 by 24 or 48 by 48 tiles, and you can even go with quartz slabs, which pretty much completely eliminates grout lines. Or if you really like that smaller tile look and you like that contrast between the grout and the tile, that's a great option for you as well. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is the actual enclosure of your shower. So most people have just a general shower glass, but there's a few options there that you can consider if you want to completely eliminate the problem with having to clean glass. You can build a pony wall, which we've done many times, and put no glass on it at all. And a lot of people like this because, like I said, you don't have to worry about the spots on the glass, but then you have to really think about it's not enclosed, it's an open shower space. So if you're somebody who likes that steam and enclosure, that might not be the best option for you. And lastly, as far as your fixtures are concerned, you want to think about, do you want to go with just a standard shower head, or do you want to input a whole shower system into your shower? And that would include maybe a rain head, a handheld shower, and then maybe some body jets. However, there may be a problem with water pressure there, so you have to think about, do you have to add a boost pump into your plumbing system in order to help make sure that all that water pressure is good for you? So these are my 4 things I want you to think about when renovating your shower. I hope these were helpful for you. Until then, keep designing your life, and I'll see you in the next one.